tick slow in this empty hall. Memories echo like a ghost call. I trace the lines on your old photograph, hoping to find the warmth that we once had. The fire died down, the embers glow. I know you're gone, but I still don't want to go back to the night when the sky was blue. Back to the truth of who I know. Maybe I'm a fool for chasing echoes. Maybe I'm a fool for loving ghosts. Maybe I'm a fool for holding on too long. Maybe I'm a fool for you. Your voice is static through these broken speakers. I play the same old songs that made me weepers. The silence screams louder than any words. I drown in every memory that you blur. Ooh.